Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be making moi moi, also known as bean cake. If you find this video interesting and useful, please like, subscribe and share. This is our beans. As you can see, it's neatly washed. To wash the beans, you just have to soak it in warm water for 5 minutes and go ahead to massage it with your hands. Add some water and rinse out the chaff. You do it repeatedly until you have this fine consistency. We have our pepper here. It's a combination of bell pepper. We have one tomato inside, scotch bonnet, chili and paprika. We also have our onion. We'll be portioning this and add to the beans as we blend. I'll be blending my beans using my Vitamix blender. I'll just measure my beans into my jug, followed by my onion, some peppers, and I'll add some water. And then I'll go ahead to blend. Just to ensure it's smooth. This is our blended beans. The next we are going to do is to mix all our ingredients, and to do that I'll be pouring the beans into my food processor. We are going in with our vegetable oil, our coconut milk, our blended crayfish, our beef stock, our bouillon cube. We'll cover this. I'm going to mix this for 10 seconds. So the food processor would help mix the ingredients and everything would incorporate very well. We are done mixing. Voila, this is how it looks. So all our ingredients are well incorporated. I'll just pour this into the bowl and go ahead to wrap. Let's see how it tastes. It tastes amazing. At this point, you can confirm to ensure that all your ingredients are well incorporated and the taste great also. Our batter is ready. It's not time to wrap our moi moi. I'll be wrapping my moi moi in 2 ways. Traditionally, this is the leaf that is known to be used for moi moi wraps, but I have been seeing this in the store and I recently got this. This is going to be the first time I'll be trying this and I want to try it with you guys. So I'll be wrapping it 2 ways using the traditional leaf, moi moi leaf, and the nylon. First, we'll be starting with the traditional wrap, and we'll place the leaf on the pot. Bring out the one we want to wrap. We'll fold that leaf. Okay. After folding, we'll bend it, and that gives us an opening in the middle. And then we'll scoop our batter into it. And then we'll put our egg filler and our beef, and then cover it. And place it on our pot. We'll do this for all the leaves that will be wrapping. It's now time to wrap our moi moi with our moi moi cooking pouch. This is quite easy and it doesn't require much of technicality. So we'll just scoop our moi moi into this. We'll add our egg and our beef and seal the pouch, and then place it on our pot. We are done wrapping our moi moi, both the leaves and the nylon, the moi moi cooking pouch. So the next step is to pour our hot water. We have already boiled water, so we'll pour in our boiled water into the moi moi, cover it and leave it to cook. We'll cover this and leave it to cook. Hey guys, our moi moi is ready, so we'll just go ahead to test and see if they both cooked very well. This is the one that was cooked with the moi moi pouch, and this is the one we cooked with the traditional moi moi leaf. So we are going to go ahead to test to see which one cooked better, or if the both cooked well, and if I would be using this for my subsequent moi moi making. We'll first test the pouch made moi moi. This is amazing. It cooked very well. And this is the leaf made moi moi. This tastes really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this, and also which of the wraps you would love to use in your moi moi making. Goodbye, see you in the next video.